So, good afternoon, sir. Alda Reyes. So, I am JR Migatuan from section BSMT2 Betelgeuse. So, in this video, I'm going to explain my answer about the CO3 assessment of creating a pipeline for loading and unloading by giving a scenario of a stowage plan for two crude oil, the ALCO and AMCO. So, in the task 1, based on the given stowage plan, we'll check the cargo tank be loaded for ALCO and AMCO and determine line grouping where each tank belongs using empty crystal A cargo piping diagram. So, for cargo tank number for LCO, so this is my answer for that. So, cargo tank number for ALCO. So, one port and starboard, 2 center, 4 port and starboard, 5 center and slab P. So, line grouping. So, number 2 for 5 center and slab P is 3. So, cargo tank number for AMCO is 1 center, 2 port and starboard, 3 port and starboard and center, 4 port center, 5 port and starboard and slab starboard. So, line group number is for 1 center is line number group 2, for 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 port and starboard is 3, 3 port starboard and center is 3, so 4 center is 3, 5 center, 5 port and starboard is 3, and slab starboard is 3. So the task 2 is question of the task 2 is based on above task 1, select the two most suitable manifold line number to be connected for loading AMCO and ALCO using empty crystal A cargo piping diagram. So we can use the manifold number 2 and 3 for the port side. So in the task number 3, create a pipeline plan using empty crystal A schematic cargo piping diagram by tracing with color blue the pipelines to be used for loading AMCO using port side manifold. Then encircle with color green all valves in open position and mark X with color red all valves in closed position. So this is my illustration for loading this. So port side, so 3 wait lang, dito siya. Ito na lang, babalik-taran ko camera ko. Ito. So port side manifold, so we have the 3F2, manifold number 2, manifold number 1, and manifold 3 forward. So we're going to use the manifold number 2 and 3. So 3 connect siya di ari, 2 dong siya sa crossover bypass lines valves, and then all the starboard side manifold are closed. So connect sila ni, dili man nato gamiton si 1, so we don't have one connection, so close the number 1 manifold in the port side and close his crossover bypass lines valves to maintain the close or not kanang di siya ma-appeal sa laing connection. So ato nang i-close. So mo flow siya budong sa deck lines. So ato ning ang deck master valves ato ning i-close kay ani ra man ta loading man ta. So mo drop line sa o i-opening duha ka drop line sa 2 and 3. So i-lock na tong 1 kay wala man gyapon siya. I-lock na to siya tapos mo flow siya ri. So sa area sa 2 we have a connection up to 4 for the given scenario of crystal A, we're going to use the AMCO. The AMCO is on the 5 port, 5 starboard, slap starboard, 4 center, 3 port, 3 center, 3 starboard, 2 port, and 2 starboard, and 1 center. So I'm going to open the valves for connection for other tank branch lines. So I'm going to open these valves so we can get a flowing of crude oil for cargo or tank branch for 1 center going to 3 starboard and 3 port side and going to port center and flow to the slap starboard. And in the drop line number 3, it flows going to 2 port and 2 center and going to the 5 port. But in the bottom cargo pipelines, they're going to flow over here, but we're going to close here because in this area, this is what we see the loading of crude oil of the vessel. So in the discharging, so we're going into the task force. So create a pipeline using empty crystal A schematic cargo piping diagram by tracing with color orange or pink the pipelines to be used for starboard side 1 line 1 2 3 connection and circle with all good. COP 1 2 3 and starboard. So first we're going to close the drop lines kay ang pipelines used na siya sa loading. So na naman ta ni discharge naman ta padung mo balik siya to. So ani na lang ta. Ang atong gigamit ganiha is 2 and 3. But ang giingon na ni is ALCO crude oil. So nagamit ang scenario na empty gas LS storage plant. So nabilong sa tanks ang ALCO sa slab P tank branch sa center sa port 4 port and 4 starboard. Bilong po siya sa 2 center and then 1 port and 1 center 1 starboard. So the flowing of crude oil is on the second drop lines going to the bottom cargo pipelines. So here going to center, flow going to 1 port and 1 starboard, and then the third drop line flowing it here rotation, and then the 2 connect to the 4 port and 4 starboard, and then the third is flowing to the slab port, because these are the areas where we can put the crude oil for the tank branch lines. So for here, we're going to open now the bulkheads, but I'm going to close this bulkhead bulb because there is no connection for here. As you can see, no connection, so we can close this, but maybe we can use this for kanang di siya maglisod og kan, kay dagko man siya na tubo or pan, so maglisod niya ni, so dapat ato ni siyang atong gamitan po niya ang iyang connection ari sa pump room, ato na lang gamiton para dili maghuot ang kwan, kay kusog ang pressure sa iyang kwan pump room. So ato ni gamiton para mura og mugaan-gaan ang pressure. So gikan sa cargo tanks sa 2 and 3 bottom cargo pipelines, mudong siya sa pump room, ani suction lines ni suction lines. These are the suction lines. Wait lang, bullpen. So these are the suction lines. Suction lines. Suction lines na siya. Kani, suction lines. Tapos, mudong siya sa suction bypass valves. Inig-flow niya siya ni, flow. Agi siya ring suction bypass valves para mo flow po siya sa ubos, flow. Tapos flow siya padung sa cargo pump number 1. So magamit natin. Magamit na siya. So ato na siyang kuno ni suction valves. Tapos suction valves. Tapos the pump strainer. Flow siya sa pump strainer. So this is the number 2 COP or cargo oil pump, number 3 COP, number 1 COP, then flow to the discharge and first non-return valves and then non-discharge valves, and then flow going to riser lines until the deck lines going to the deck master. We're going to open the deck master valves and then going to the starboard side manifold, but before, we're going to enter the crossover bypass lines valves and then starboard side manifold. So those are my output of discharging and loading. So in the task 3, task 5 and task 6 is names of the in the task 5 we're going to name in the task 3 is the loading, so we're going the names. So this is the port side manifold crossover. This 3 is the crossover bypass lines valves, and this side is the starboard side manifold. This pipelines is the deck lines, and this drop lines, these 3 drop lines until this 3 or 4 bottom cargo pipelines, this F, motorcycle F, tank branch lines, and then this color green, circle color green is open valve, and then this X with color red is closed, and then this, and then this are the bulkhead valves. So these are the task number 5. For the task number 6 is going based on your pipeline plan, and task 4, name the pipeline valves used in order. So first we're going to the drop lines, and then tank branch into cargo, bottom cargo pipelines, flow to the bulkheads, open valve, and then flow to the suction lines, and then suction valves, and then rotate or going past to the suction bypass valves to shear for other COP pump room. So going to pump strainer, enter the COP, and then non-return valve, and then discharge valve, and going up, this is the riser lines, and then these pipelines are the deck lines, and these 3 valves was called deck master. So going this until starboard side manifold. So this is my output, sir. These 2. So that's all, sir. Thank you.